Hey guys, are you want to buy best roll-up tonneau covers? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best roll-up tonneau covers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at RetraxONE Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The TruXport Roll-Up Tonneau Cover is a reliable and functional choice for Ford F-150 owners with a 5 feet 7 inches bed, 2015 to 2024 models. Built in the USA with global materials, it combines durability with user-friendly design. The heavy-duty 1.5-inch frame and leather-embossed vinyl offer both strength and a sleek appearance. Operation is simple. Just unlock the tailgate latches and roll it up for quick access. Weather protection is a key highlight. The preset tarp tension keeps the cover tight, preventing water intrusion, while sturdy support bows ensure it can handle several inches of snow without sagging. Installation is hassle-free, taking less than 30 minutes with no drilling or special tools required. Just clamp, attach, and go. Overall, the TruXport is an excellent upgrade for keeping cargo secure, dry, and easily accessible, all while enhancing your truck style and function. Now our second product is Pace Edwards Retractable Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Switchblade Retractable Tonneau Cover is a practical and durable solution for Chevy Silverado 1500 and GMC Sierra 1500 crew cab models, 2004 to 2018, with a 5 feet 8 inches bed. Built with ArmorTech construction, it combines padded vinyl polymer and rigid aluminum panels for strength and weather resistance. Its recessed U-channel rails double as rain gutters, effectively channeling water away for long-term protection. The standout feature is the exclusive Continuous Tension Spring, CTS, allowing smooth, automatic retraction with a squeeze of the handle and effortless closure using the pull strap. Installation is simple with a clamp-on design, requiring only a Phillips screwdriver and 7/16 wrench, no drilling needed. For added convenience, the cover can be removed entirely when full bed access is required. Proudly made in the USA, it comes with a 2-year limited warranty. Reliable, sleek, and user-friendly, it's a strong upgrade for truck owners. Our third product is Lund Genesis Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Lund Genesis Roll-Up Tonneau Cover is a dependable choice for Chevy/GMC Silverado and Sierra models, 2014 to 2018, 19 Legacy/Limited, with a 6 feet 7 inches bed. Designed with heavy-duty, marine-grade vinyl over durable aluminum rails and bows, it provides excellent protection against rain, dust, and theft while maintaining a sleek, low-profile look. Its patented latching system and tension control ensure a snug fit year-round, keeping your truck bed sealed and secure. The single latch mechanism makes opening and closing quick and effortless, while the extreme seals block out harsh weather conditions. Installation is straightforward, no drilling or special tools are needed, and can be completed in under 20 minutes. Backed by Lund's limited lifetime guarantee and US-based support, this cover combines strength, style, and peace of mind. For truck owners wanting durability, easy use, and reliable cargo protection, the Genesis Roll-Up delivers on all fronts. Now number 4, Tonneau Pro Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The soft roll-up truck bed cover is a practical and durable option for 1988 to 1999 Chevy/GMC Silverado and Sierra 1500 classic models with a 6 feet 6 inches bed. Built from tear-resistant, double-sided 24 ounces vinyl with marine-grade stitching, it ensures long-lasting protection against the elements. The low-profile design mounts inside the bed rails, maintaining a sleek look while offering a clear rear view when rolled up. Its roll-up functionality allows for quick, full bed access, making it convenient for hauling larger cargo. Installation is simple and hassle-free, taking about 25 minutes with heavy-duty clamps, no drilling or cutting required. Compact when rolled, it won't get in the way, yet provides reliable coverage when needed. Overall, this tonneau cover offers a balance of durability, easy operation, and a clean, streamlined appearance, an excellent upgrade for classic truck owners seeking affordable protection and convenience. And our last choice is RetraxONE MX Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The RetraxONE MX retractable tonneau cover is a versatile and durable upgrade for Dodge Ram models, 2009 to 2018, 2019 to 20 Classic 1500, and 2010 to 21 2500/3500 with Ram box, 6 feet 4 inches bed. Built from a single piece of polycarbonate, it eliminates hinges that can trap dust, ensuring smooth operation and long-lasting reliability. The powder-coated finish resists scratches, impacts, and UV damage while maintaining a sleek, low-profile appearance that sits flush with the truck bed. Its unique locking system allows you to secure the cover at any point along the rails, whether hauling large loads like mulch or keeping it partially open for ladders, ensuring your cargo stays protected. Installation is simple and can be done solo or with a friend, adding functionality and style in no time. Backed by a 1-year full warranty and a limited lifetime warranty, the RetraxONE MX offers performance, protection, and peace of mind. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.